Hello everybody, today we are going to cook sweet chili fish. I dedicated this video to my good friend Goran, who provided me with the fish. Oil is hot now. Obviously we need to deep fry the fish. You let the fish deep fry on one side first. Over the side to make sure that it is done. Our fish is nicely cooked. The next thing we want to do is make the sauce. About 2 tablespoons of oil. Put in our garlic. Garlic is sizzling the instant it got in. Is our chopped onion. With sweet chili, pineapple goes very well with it. Half a can tin pineapple. Let it cook a bit. Let the pineapple slightly caramelize to release very nice aroma. It's our chili. I don't use very hot chili. And our tomato to give it a bit more taste and more color. Now we're adding now 4 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. It's very dry. The good thing with tin pineapple, it comes with a pineapple juice that comes with it. We use this to make part of our sauce. The pineapple juice is full of flavor. It will start boiling. Spring onion. One tablespoon of fish sauce. Half a tablespoon of white vinegar. 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. Our sauce is taking shape. I'll thicken it. Our sauce is done.